this is Karna. Back to my channel. Friends, like all my previous videos, today also I am giving an information around the world through this bulletin. India recorded its highest single day spike of coronavirus cases with over 22,000 people testing positive and 442 deaths as infections rose in the western and southern parts of the country amid heavy monsoon rains. The World Health Organization announced that it would discontinue its trial of hydrochloroquine treatments in the fight against COVID-19. The World Health Organization Solidarity Trial was established to find effective treatments for the coronavirus in hospitalized patients. China successfully launched Shiyan-6 satellite on a Long March 20 carrier rocket at the Jiuquan Satellite Center on Sunday. The satellite has entered its present orbit. The satellite is mainly used for space environment exploration and related technical experiments. Mexico has recorded more than 30,000 deaths from its coronavirus outbreak as the disease continued to ravage one of the Latin America's worst hit countries. Visitors to the Taj Mahal will have to wear masks at all times, keep their distance and not touch its glistening marble surface when India's 17th century monument to love reopens on Monday after a 3-month COVID-19 shutdown. At least 16 people have died and a dozen are missing on Japan's southern island of Kyushu as unpredicted rains cause flooding and landslides. Morocco reported Sunday 698 additional novel coronavirus infections, the highest one-day increase since the outbreak began in early March, with numerous cases discovered in a port city factory. Madagascar has placed its capital Antananarivo under a fresh lockdown following a new surge in coronavirus infections 2 months after the restrictions were eased. Algeria prepares Sunday to bury the remains of 24 resistance fighters repatriated after more than a century and a half as it marks the 58th anniversary of its independence from France. Ghana's president has gone into self-isolation for 2 weeks as a precautionary measure despite testing negative for coronavirus. The government said after one of his contacts was confirmed to have the illness. A Zimbabwean entrepreneur in Africa's top tobacco producer launches the first local brand of hand-rolled cigars, defying coronavirus and economic odds to lift up manufacturing. A fruit seller pushes his cart through a flooded street after heavy rain showers in Mumbai. The postponed Olympics and a worrying second surge in cases will be the main issues when Tokyo voters elect a governor to run one of the world's most populous cities. After more than 100 days of confinement due to the coronavirus, Havana residents are starting to enjoy the city again as eases lockdown measures. 2 people die and 16 others are feared dead, local media says, after torrential rain in western Japan triggers massive floods. These are all the news about today. Please share this video and don't forget to subscribe also. Signing off today. Bye-bye.